Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN password and for some reason the fingerprint scanner is not working. So to remove any kind of security from your device, you need to perform a factory reset. But since you are locked out of your device and you are not able to access the settings, you cannot perform a factory reset. So let me show you how to do this, gain the access back to your smartphone. So here we go. So here is my Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus smartphone. Let's consider that I no longer remember the pattern. So you can see that I cannot get the access back to my smartphone. So in that scenario, I need to perform a factory reset to remove all of the security data. So to do that, first of all, just switch off your device. Once it is switched off, you need to press the power key and volume up key together like this. Once the device boots up and the Xiaomi logo appears on the screen, remove your finger from the power key but keep pressing the volume up key. After a while, this screen will come. So here you can see we got few options like reboot, wipe data, and connect with Me Assistant. So our concern is the second option, that's wipe data. So just use the volume keys to navigate between the option. Use volume down to go to the wipe data, and after that press the power key to select it. So on the next screen, once again it will show this message as a confirmation that whether you would like to wipe all data. Press the power key once again, and once again it will show a confirmation message that this thing cannot be undone and whatever content you got on your device will be deleted. So once again use the volume down key to go to the confirm option, and after that press the power key like this, and now the device will reboot. So you can see that data wiped successfully. Press the power key to go to the main menu, and by default the reboot option is selected, so just press the power key. On the next screen it will show the option reboot to system. Press the power key once again, and now your device will reboot. And once the reboot process is finished, you will start fresh on your Xiaomi smartphone. So you will have to do all of the settings that you did at the very first time. For example, you will have to select the time zone, language, the country, and all of these stuff once again. But you need to keep one thing in mind as well, that you need to have your Google account data prepared, because if you were earlier using your Google account data on your smartphone, so maybe the Google FRP will ask you to enter your Google username and password to gain access back to your device as well. So keep this thing in mind and get it ready for the next step if it's required on your device. And here we go. So as you can see that the device is starting fresh, and you will have to do all of the settings once again. Everything is deleted, wiped out, and you are starting fresh with your Xiaomi smartphone. So this is how you can perform a hard reset or factory reset when your device is locked, you no longer remember the PIN and password, and do not have access to your smartphone. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks, and hands-on reviews like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.